Hey, good morning, everyone. So I already explained how to use our scanners yesterday, but if anyone is new to the session, whenever something is in green color in the table, that means that is a good one for a long position. If something is in orange color, that means get ready to short that position. For example, now for YM, we got the orange color. That means maybe in next one or two candles, it may start dropping. So we'll wait for a sell signal or we'll wait for a reversal here, right? It may touch this point. So it went all the way up. It came to the support. We got a buy signal. It went all the way up. Now next one or two candles it may start reversing and come all the way down. So it is right, it will give us an alert. Okay, now start watching this ticker. It may start dropping soon. If you see something green in the table, that means that will go up. If you see something in orange, that will go down in next few minutes. Same thing, right? For example, here in the scanner, we are using some different tickers, some 20, 25, 20 tickers, which are related to futures, right? Because generally we focus on prop firm trading. So we are using some 20 high liquid future tickers here. So out of these 20 tickers, if any of them are good for long or good for short, it will show us an opportunity. Now it is also telling that NQ, right, seems to be good for a bullish, for a long position. So if we want, we can go and check NQ, or let us just focus on YM. And once we get a sell signal, we'll take a sell, and then we can focus on YM. We can focus on NQ later. So this is our discount area where we generally buy. This is like average area or a medium area, median area. This is our premium area where we generally sell. So we have a resistance here. If if we see a sell signal, now it touched the resistance. There is a high possibility next one or two candles we'll see a reversal. So we are waiting for that sell signal now on YM. So minimum you will know, right, which tickers to focus on. So that means it is in a overbought area now. It is still moving. So until we see a reversal, we'll wait. In the same way, right? For example, here you have different stocks like Tesla, Nvidia, Meta, Google, right? For example, it is telling that CRM is bearish, orange color. CVX is bearish, mRNA is bearish. So we can go to that, or we can go here and we can put, let us put CRM. So we can see that it went all the way from 252 to 256. It touched the resistance there. If we get a sell signal now, then we can buy the put, or we can sell the calls. Right? Because if you put all the scanners on one screen, there will be performance issues. So that's why what we are trying to do is, so Apple went all the way, touched the resistance, then again dropping all the to the bottom. Again, it may touch the support little bit, it may go a little bit down, and again it will start going up. So what was the other symbol, which is CVX? Okay, CRM, we are waiting for the sell signal. Let us also watch for CVX. CVX also went all the way to the top. That's the resistance. And now it is in a premium area. So as of now, we have a buy signal. If we see a sell signal, that means we can buy the puts for CVX. So you can see CRM. Okay, if we go to the next screen, we have the or you can what you can do is you can also just go and top trend. You are waiting for a sell alert on CVX. I'm also waiting for a sell alert on CRM. Oh, CRM, I got the sell. So you can buy the puts for CRM. Right? It went from the bottom, it went all the way to the top, touched the resistance, and now dropping. It may come all the way down to the midpoint or can go all the way to the bottom. So CRM, we can get for August 2nd. You can get 252.5, which is approximately $3.8. So CRM 252.5 put. That's 3.8 for August 2nd. So you can see that stock touched the resistance. It dropped nearly $2 from 256 to 254. It may come minimum till here or it can come all the way to the midpoint. CVX. Still, we don't have a sell signal on CVX. UB and ZB are looking bearish. Let us go and look UB. Okay, earlier, right? Earlier it gave a buy signal. We already made $125 profit, right? When it gave a buy signal, we took the long, and when it came to the midpoint, we took the profits, $125. Now it is going close to the resistance again. So if we get a sell signal on UB, you can so it is right. The scanner is telling that okay, keep watching this UB. It is right. It is going close to the premium area. So earlier it went. So if you just hide this, right? Earlier it went from the support. It went all the way to the resistance. Touched that, came to the discount area. So when it came to the discount area, we got scanner gave us an indication, right? Which I shared in our channel that okay, UB and ZB are good for long. So it came here, then started moving up. So now again it may go here or touch the resistance. Again it may drop reverse. So we want to uh, right, you can put a sell alert, right? Because as of now it is in a buy. and it already moved so much, you can create a sell alert here. So whenever you get a sell signal, this is good one for a short. So generally UB and ZB will move in the same direction, right? You can see that ZB also same thing. It came all the way to the bottom. We got a buy signal. It started going up. Let's go and see. Okay, Apple came all the way to the bottom, touched the support, trying to bounce back. Oracle, right, is in the green color. CVX, CRM are in orange color. Oracle is in green color. So if anything is in blue and red, you can ignore them for some time, right? If we don't have anything in orange and green, then we'll focus at blue and red. Otherwise, our first priority is green, second priority is orange, then you will look at the other ones. So let us go and check Oracle. Oracle is coming close to the support. It went all the way up, touched the resistance. Again, it is coming to the discount area. So whenever it comes here, touches this, and if we get a buy signal, then we can again enter long. So as of now, better we wait for some time, or you can always go. You can say top trend, create a buy alert, right? Because it already went to the resistance, dropping, and this is a strong support area. So it may come here and start going up, or it may touch the support and start going up. So whenever we receive a buy signal, we can get the calls, Oracle calls. Mm, Here we have DV in the orange color. Here we have GD in orange color, UNP in orange color. So let us go and check them. The D went all the way to the top, right? We got a buy. It went all the way to the top, touched the resistance. And now there is a high possibility for DE to drop. So if we get a sell signal on DE, we can buy the puts or you can sell the calls. So we have to wait for the sell signal now. What was the other one? DV, okay, GD, UNP. Right, if anybody attended yesterday evening session, we discussed about AMT. Right, I said that AMT can move well in the morning. Right, you can watch the recording I shared. Right, from $209, it went to $215. Right, because yesterday we saw that AMT was in the green color. And what I said is in the pre-market in the market open, if we see this around same price, then it will make a huge move. It made nearly $5 move with AMT, and now it is right. It touches the resistance, and it may come minimum till the midpoint, or but yeah, let us see. Yeah, AMT is still overall it is in the bullish trend, so better we don't take that. Let us check GD. Yeah, as of now, it did not go till the this one. So, but it may, if it goes little bit high, then it is a better opportunity to short. Right? Overall, it is a bearish ticker. You can see that, and then there is a pullback, and now trying to drop. So, yeah, but if it touches the resistance or if it comes to this zone and starts dropping, that is much better opportunity. So we'll wait for some more time. Wait, already our CRM made nearly $150 with just 5 contracts. If you go and see CRM, it dropped nearly $1.5, right? So from the resistance, it dropped nearly $3, but from our entry, it dropped nearly $1.5. So it made with just 5 contracts. Right? It touches the resistance, started dropping. It may come all the way minimum till the midpoint. Right? So your billing rate is now $200 for 10 minutes. Right? Just with 5 contracts, you have hundreds of stocks. You don't know which one to pick. But our indicator told you that, okay, out of all this, right, nearly $400 now. You can trim 80% now. Right? It came all the way to the midpoint. Sometimes midpoint can act as a profit booking area. People will book the profits, then again it may go up and again it may drop. So you can book the profits, and if it comes back, again we can enter one more time. Right? Or you trim 80% and keep the remaining 20%. There is, right, sometimes it will do a pullback and again come down, or it may directly come all the way bottom. Well, it's nearly $500 now. Right. $4 drop. So MA is overall a bearish ticker. It touched the support, went all the way up. Now it is in the premium area. So if we get a sell signal, yeah, if it goes touch the resistance and get a sell signal, good one to buy the puts. CRM is still dropping. Yeah, I trimmed 80%, kept one out of five. The support, if it breaks this support, it can come all the way to here to 48. Right. So our step number one, our scanner gave CRM in the orange color. Step number two, our top trend also it touched, right? We saw that price came to the bottom, went to the top, and started dropping. And then we want to look at a confluence, right? We don't want to just depend on one scanner. We want to see, is it real? We saw that there is a strong resistance here. There is a strong resistance here. And then we got a sell signal from our top trend. Top trend also gave us indication that okay, it will drop. Stock started dropping all the way. And if it drops now, if it breaks this support, it will make a lot more profits. Or it may bounce back. If it starts bouncing, then we can close the last one. And again, we can wait for the price to go back to that area. Yeah, it is breaking the support. Yeah, let us close the last position. There is a hyper, right? Last time it came here, it bounced. Again, it came here, it may bounce back. So close the last position. We made around $120 with one contract. But overall, because trend is bearish, we don't generally go with the calls. For CRM, overall ticker is bearish. If your day trading cloud is red, your swing also, right? All this time it was orange, orange. Just now it turned blue. But yeah, better, right? Unless your scanner tells you, you don't. So now let us look at one more example. Okay, Mastercard, GD. Right, Apple also might start moving up, but overall Apple is in the bearish trend. So we want to find the bullish tickers at the bottom. We want to find the bearish tickers at the top. Apple is overall bearish, so it is little risky to get the. Let us go and see. Right, now we got a buy signal for CRM, but rather than right, always try to take buy close to the support, right? This zone. Always try to sell close to this area. In midpoint, it is always risky. Sometimes it can go up and again start dropping. Right? Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Okay, the other tickers, YM. Okay, YM still, we did not get a sell signal. Right? This is the resistance. So we are waiting for that when price touch the resistance area. And then if we get a sell signal, we can take short on YM. Now crude oil, it is telling that crude oil may start dropping soon. Right, we can wait for YM. If we see a sell signal on YM, we can take YM and then so if it goes little bit up, then our top trend is giving that it will go down. Our scanner is telling it will go down. That is much more stronger confluence. So as of now, top trend has a strong resistance here. Top trend has strong support here. So you can see like how CRM came to the support, started moving up. And that's why when you have multiple indicators, you know when is the best time. I think we may get a sell signal now. So again, if we get a sell signal, this is our target, right? Don't wait for price to come all the way to the bottom. Sometimes it will come to the midpoint and then start going up. So if we get a sell now, just take a shot. Right? Even if you take one or two trades per day, that is right. We just took CRM. Yeah, this seems like come on. What is selling? Yeah, I took a shot on YM. And if you want, you can also put your buy order. Yeah, I can. I sold around 276. I can say okay, 265. I want to close the position. So that is like $50. If you have 20 accounts, 50 into $20,000. Right? Again, we can you can enter one more time, but I'm showing you an example. That is the advantage with prop firms where you can scale up, right? Because you don't need to get all $500,000 from one account. Even if you make $50, and if you are connected with five, six different accounts or 10 different accounts, 20 different accounts, you are multiplying your profits. You are basically you can scale up as much as you want, right? If I want, I can put a small stop, right? I can create a stop loss somewhere at the top of the resistance. In case if price goes up for any reason, I can have a stop loss at this point. But there is a high possibility for stock to drop because you have a strong resistance from top trend. You have resistance from the scanner. So generally, whenever YM YM drops, your DG also drops. But yeah, let us give some more time because you had a huge red candle, so there will be some retracement, and then it should drop again. If we want additional confirmation, I can go here. I can use price pulse. I can enter. There is a sell order block here. If we touch that, then it should again drop. So, right, it is another 85 $90. Again, if you have 20 accounts, that is $2,000. Right, at the same time, I'm taking in personal account. I'm also taking in my prop firms. So it went nearly $1,500 in the personal account. Right. I took 5 contracts. So again, right, the first step, our scanner gave us YM in the orange color. Then we went and saw that, okay, from the top, it went all the way, from the bottom, it went all the way to the top. There is a resistance, right? Price is close to the resistance in the premium area. And then, right, again, we don't want to just depend on that. We also went to saw in top trend, is there a strong resistance in that area? Right? We saw there is a strong resistance. So even if price goes little bit up, the top trend will push it down. Right? There is a major resistance around that area, which gave us confidence to hold the trade, even though it went into $100 plus loss, because we know that even if it goes little bit up, this will push it down. Right? So yeah, everybody, you can take the profits if you took the position because it came right, came close to the midpoint. Again, it is bouncing back. So again, all we need is $150 because with the advantage with the prop firms, you can multiply. If you have one company, you can have 20 accounts. If you have two companies, you can have 40 accounts. So same trade you can copy into different accounts, right? So even though you make $100, you are basically copying the same $100 trade into another 20, 30, 40 accounts. So all you need is one trade with a perfect setup. That's it. You are done for the day. You can continue to focus on your primary job. So, right after the scanner gave us the indication, we went to top trend. We got a confidence. When it was little moving up, I also went here. I right. This is another indicator which will tell us where the market makers are doing a major sells and so market makers are selling 492 contracts here, right? When they are doing it, right, you see a major, right? If it is stocks, you have to see it in thousands or millions. If it is futures, if it is in hundreds also, it is a good number. So you saw that there is a 492 order block, sell order block there, right? Your buy orders are somewhere at the bottom, not close here. So now your scanner gave the indication, your top trend is giving a strong resistance. Your price pulse is also showing a strong resistance or a sell order block. That's where, right? I saw that. Then, okay, I was confident that I don't need to close it because there is a huge, if market makers are trying to sell it, right? Because right? They have millions and trillions of dollars. They can move the markets. So if market makers are doing it, then we can also follow them, right? That is the smart money. We have to follow. Retail traders generally do everything opposite. When price goes all the way to the top, they see that oh, price is going up, let me buy it here. Whereas market makers will buy at the low price, sell at the high price, right? So we saw that market makers are selling here. That's where we were confident to hold, right? It may come all the way, touch this, and then start bouncing back. But yeah, 100, $150 into 20 accounts is $3,000, right? Whether they are EA accounts or PA accounts, your trade value is right with CRM in 5-10 minutes. We made nearly $500 plus with 5 contracts. With this one, right in prop firms, we made some $2,000-3,000 in personal account. Again, we made another $1,500, right? So you are using the scanner to identify which are the potential opportunities. Right now, it is telling RB, and RB will generally have less volume. Let us go and check RB. Is also telling NQ will drop, RB will drop. So now RB overall, it is a bearish ticker. It came to the top and dropping now. Right. Let us also check with top trend. Right. Scanner is telling, and yeah, it is looking that it may drop by looking at the scanner. Then our step two, check with top trend if you have a sell signal. As of now, we don't have a sell signal, but very soon we may get a sell signal, maybe in the next candle. So then let us also go here and check if there is any major sell order block. So you have some buy orders here. There is a sell order somewhere, but it is not a huge one, right? It is just a 21. So yeah, might be it may drop, but we are not getting a huge confidence. If the sell is somewhere close to here, we can take it. Last time sell, yeah, better we wait for some more time, right? Because resistance is here. It may drop, but it may come here, bounce back. And also it is a slow moving ticker, so better we look for it. But ES, it is telling ES will drop. So let us look at ES. And one more good thing is if you see that for every future sticker, there is a corresponding option sticker. So if you see crude oil is dropping, let us go and see crude oil. Crude oil, we got a sell signal. Overall, it is a bearish ticker. It went to the top. Mm, yeah, let us also look here. Okay, you can see a huge sell orders. There is a buy order block here. So if price comes here, then it will bounce back. Yes, let's look at yes. So yeah, yes, it came to the bottom, touched the support. We got the buy signal. It went all the way to the top. Right, it touches the resistance, but the top trend has resistance somewhere around 54.88. Right, nearly how many points it moved? 40 points ES moved. That means whenever you see the buy signal, you can get SPY calls. If for NQ, if you see a buy signal, you can get QQQ or PQQ calls. For example, if this goes little bit high, and then if we see a sell signal, right, this is a proper area where we can sell. Right, scanner is telling that yeah, be ready now. NQ and ES can drop. Right, it is also showing NQ. So let us go and look at NQ. So NQ also touched the support. There is a buy, came all the way to the bottom and then started going up. Now it is in the premium area, but it may go little bit high. Right? It may, if it touch this resistance and then drop, it is much better opportunity. So we have to wait for the sell signal now. If we get a sell signal, then you can buy TQQ puts, you can buy QQQ puts, or you can sell the QQQ calls. And we can also short, either you can do NQ or MNQ. If you have a big account, you can short NQ. If you have a small account, or right, because NQ is so volatile, suddenly it moves 20, 30 points, suddenly it drops 20, 30 points. So it can make a lot of money. It can also, especially if you are trading with prop firms, you have to be very, very careful with NQ. So whenever we get a sell signal, right, your scanner is giving you an early warning that okay, now very soon you will see a sell signal. Right. Otherwise, you have 60 plus tickers which we can trade with prop firms. Right. You don't know which one to focus on. But now the scanner is showing NKD, NQ, silver, Ethereum, whichever is in orange color, that is your priority one, or whichever is in green color, that is your priority one. Green means that will go up. It is a bullish ticker at the bottom. Orange means it is a bearish ticker at the top. So because these moved so much, uh, so it is telling that it is overbought now. Very soon we may see a sell signal. And our top trend and price pulse. So if I go here and if I check with NQ, there is some 2.55 thousand sell order here at around 19,240. So if NQ comes to that price, there is a high possibility for a drop. So until that time, so we know that, right? Okay, it moved all the way nearly how many points? Nearly from 885, it moved nearly 250 points. So there is a possibility that because right prices will never continue to go up or never continue to go down. There will be always retracements. After going some 300 points, it may retrace 100 points down and again go up. So last 2 3 days it was going down. So today morning also in the channel I said Google will move up now. So let us see how Google moved today. You can see that right around 172 we sent you an alert. It moved nearly $2 up. It may go till 174.89 and then drop. Right, we had a big buy order here. Stock moved all the way. Now again it may touch this. We have a sell order block. we have a EMA 200 which will act as resistance. So it may touch that and then start dropping. Same time NQ will touch that and NQ will start dropping. So let's go to NQ. So whenever you get sell signal, right, we may get sell signal in one or two candles. But if it touches this one and drops, it is much more better opportunity. So in top trend, what we did basically we kept the buy and sell support and resistance, right? Because we want to get confidence from others, not just depend on the scanner. So it is giving the buy and sell and support and resistance. All the other candles, everything we because otherwise it might be too much on the screen if I plot all the channels, top, bottom, it might be confusing. So we disable everything except support and right. This is our major support. This is our major resistance, which is coming from the top trend. And also top trend is giving the buy and sell signals. It is also showing the cloud. And the scanner is giving us which symbols to focus. It is telling silver, NQ, heating oil, Ethereum, multiple tickers. It is telling they can go down. But if you focus on too many things, you may miss everything. So better you, right? If we get a sell on NQ, you will make money through futures. You can make money through options. You can also short stocks. You can short TQQ. You can short QQQ. You can make money in any way, right? Which if you want stocks, if you want futures, or so that's why compared to heating oil or RB, NQ has more volatility, more liquidity. You get better bid and spreads. So we are watching for the sell signal on NQ. Whenever we get the sell signal, then I'll take on the prop firms. I'll take on my personal account. I'll take options. So by using the same chart, you can make money with stocks, options, futures, and with the help of prop firms, you can scale up as much as you want. If I copy the same trade into 20, 30 accounts, even if I make $100, that is nearly two to $3,000 just with one trade. But you are waiting for the perfect setup, right? We are not, you are, once you get confidence from multiple indicators, we'll enter the trade. Right? It may take additional 10 seconds, 15 seconds for you to check whether, okay, is price pulse also showing a sell order block. But that 10-15 seconds will give you confidence to hold the trade. You won't get panic if you suddenly see some negative number. You won't get panic. So as I said, right, somewhere here or this 240 area, 19,240 is a good area because that is where we have. Yeah, we missed the buy signal. Actually, in Q, we got a buy signal when we were trading CRM. 220. So if price is, our price pulse is also showing the EMA 200 line. So generally, if price is below EMA 200, those tickers are generally good for shorts. If price is above EMA 200, generally those are good for long positions. So this EMA 200 will always act as a resistance. So when price came here, tried to go up, this acted as a resistance. It went all the way down. Again, it is trying to break EMA 200. It may again drop, but we are waiting for our sell signal. If we get a sell signal, we can enter a short position. But if we add too many indicators on the same screen, sometimes it might, right, delay the calculations, everything. So that's why I added my price pulse here, and I added the scanner and top trend on the screen. I think it is. Generally, when NKD is bearish, sorry, when NQ is bearish, NKD also will be bearish. Let us also look at NKD. NKD is another picture, right? It is like a NQ of Japan. So we may see, so this also makes huge profits. It is not as volatile as NQ. NQ suddenly will give 20, 30 point drop and like that, but this is little more stable. So even we may see a drop on NKD now. Right? Our indicator is showing NKD 37,940 is a good. So we can again go here. Sell order block here. It is trying to break EMA 200, but yeah, let us wait for the sell signal, either NQ or NKD. They should make some nice profits. Even this is like $25 a tick. Even if it moves 4 5 ticks down, you will make easily 150 $200. Try to cash out on NKD. There is a high possibility for NKD to drop. So I shorted it 925, 37,925. So if I buy back at 920, that is already $25 per account. So I'll put something at 910. Right, that is nearly $75. Again, always multiply with 20 accounts. 75 into 20 is $1,500. Right, because it is not just one account. The same account is connected to 20 PA accounts. That is the advantage when you trade with top firms, when you have a strong setup. Because right, our scanner gave the indication, and then e- generally your EMA 200 will always act as a strong resistance. So it tried to break, but not able to break, and then it was coming down. You can see the price action. So we have multiple confluence, multiple confirmation. So now let us go back to NQ, and let us, yeah, it can go further down, minimum 860, 870. Right. If it is NQ, if we get confirmation on NQ, then we can also buy the puts. So waiting for the sell signal. So we can also get QQQ puts. So when you trade using prop firms, yeah, try to make 300, 400 per day on each account. That's it. Wait for a good setup where you have multi confluence from multiple. Even if you make 100, $150 in each trade, take one or two trades, and done for the day. Again, repeat the same thing, right? When we generally you do over trading, that is where you will make profits, and again you will lose all the profits made. So Tesla came to the bottom, right? It is a bullish ticker. Came to the bottom, touched the support, went all the way to the top. Uh, may see a drop on Tesla. This one, Apple came to the bottom, went to the premium area. You may see a drop. Again, CRM is going up. If it touches this, again it may drop. Look at Bank of America is in orange color. Let us look at Bank of America. While we get sell signal on NQ, we can So Bank of America touched the support, went all the way to the top, touched the resistance now. So let us go and look if Bank of America has any strong sell order blocks. So if Bank of America comes to this point, 183, right? As of now, it is 182.8, around 183. But if it comes to this 183.6, 180, then there is a high possibility for a big drop because there are big companies want to, all the banks, insurance companies, right? They want to sell Bank of America at this price. So whenever price comes here, right, or you can always go and create a sell order block or sell alert. So when a BA gives a sell signal, then you can go ahead and buy the puts. Still, we don't have a sell signal on NQ. We are waiting for the sell signal to enter shorts on NQ or MNQ. We can also get QQQ puts. This will be a perfect entry for Google. If it goes here, we have EMA 200 will act as resistance, and also there is a huge sell order block. So this is the best time to enter the shorts on Google. SMCA is in orange, KLAC, PAN W is in orange. So like that, there will be plenty of opportunities every day. We have to just, whenever scanner gives the opportunity, we have to go here, right? For example, PAN W, Palo Alto, right? Maybe if it goes to this 328 zone, there is a EMA 200 resistance, there is a big sell order block. Then price can come all the way down. So better we just wait for another one or two candles and then take the shots. Then SMCA, same thing SMCA also, if it goes around this zone 720, SMCA can drop again. Okay, here you had 252,000 buy order, 12,000 buy order, it went all the way up. Now, if it does a double top, one time it touched the EMA 200, again if it goes and touch it and starts dropping, that will be a very good opportunity. Still, we don't have a sell signal on NQ. We are still waiting for that. BA, We can Apple is still going up. It should touch the resistance before we can see a drop. Spotify $337. Yesterday we entered around 330. So now it is around 337. But already we took profits. We didn't want to take any risk with overnight positions, so we took profits with debit spreads. We took with credit spreads. We sold the puts. We took the profits. Now again, it came to the bottom, went all the way to the top. If it touches somewhere here, if we get a sell signal, again we can enter Spotify because right, it turned to bearish. Yesterday it was bullish, but again today morning it went down. Now there is a pullback. If we get a sell signal, we can take puts on Spotify. So our next best opportunities, one is BA. If BA goes little bit up, and if we get a sell signal, the next best one is Google. Right from 172 this morning, it went to 174. If it goes to this area around 175, that is the best time to buy the puts or sell the calls. You can see Nvidia in orange, Google in orange, Amazon in orange, Mara in orange, Apple, SMCA, BA, all the major stocks because they we got a good bounce this morning, and now everything is in a close to a resistance. So very soon we'll see drop on all those stocks. Nvidia, Google, Amazon, RBLX, Mara, Apple, SMCA, BA. So let us go to Nvidia and check it. It came all the way to the bottom, made a big move. Nearly 4 million. 66,000. 59,000 is a lot of block here. We have 1.37 million sell order block here. So, yeah, it just broke the EMA 200, and again it is trying to, because you got a huge sell order block. So you can sell Nvidia 115 calls if you have a big account. Nvidia 115 calls for this Friday is approximately $2. So I'm selling, right? Either you can buy puts or you can sell the calls when you are bearish. Okay, I'm buying Nvidia 115 put for $2.3. It is dropping very quickly. Nvidia 115 put. So Spotify is also dropping. Nvidia is dropping. Let us also look at, so it touched the sell order block, started dropping. So puts and both calls, both are making nice profits. So I'm taking trades along with you, or right, our scanner gave the indication. Your this one gave us an indication. So we got confidence. We entered. We sold the calls. We bought the puts. In both the ways, we are. So it already made nearly $500 with both puts sold and sorry, puts bought and calls sold. Now NQ also started dropping, I think, that level. But still, we don't have the sell signal. If we get sell signal on NQ, then there will be a big drop on all the stocks. Spotify is also dropping. Netflix is also bearish. Panda Blue is bearish. There will be so many opportunities which we cannot take each and every opportunity. You have 71,000 sell order block here. So there is a high possibility for a drop on Netflix also. There is nearly 7,000. So what you can do is instead of buying puts, I'm selling 640 call and then buy 645 call and collect around $220, $225. Sell 640 call and buy 645. I'm posting all the alerts in the options channel. We should see a drop in few minutes. In Q also we should see a sell signal. If NQ gives a sell, then Netflix, Nvidia, they should drop much bigger. Since dropping. QQQ. Huge order block, but yeah, still it looks to go. Buy order blocks here. So Netflix is dropping. So VRTX is bullish. Let us just go to 30 minutes and check how it is in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, it went and touched the swing cloud. Swing cloud will always act as a resistance. Yeah, there is a high possibility for a drop, but let us wait for the signal, sell signal. QQ is dropping. You can buy 463 puts, or you can buy 463 and QQ. QQ 6. Let us wait for the sell signal. As of now, it is going up and coming down, a little choppy. So once we have a strong sell signal, then it can come all the way down, minimum some 100 points down. We can hold Nvidia and Netflix, but QQQ, better we wait a few more, one or two more candles. There's a tough fight between buyers and sellers. Buyers are trying to take it up, sellers are trying to bring NQ down. So that's why there is a lot of choppiness up and down. Most probably sellers will take the control, but we'll wait for the confirmation. Nvidia is making nice profits. It's a big drop on NQ. Nvidia is dropping big. Netflix is dropping. Everything is dropping big. So, yeah, it took a QQQ is dropping. Nvidia huge drop. Netflix $2 drop. Just with two contracts on personal account, it made nearly $1,300 for NQ. I'm taking profits on NQ. Also take profits on Nvidia. It made over $1,000. Take gains on Nvidia. Nearly $2 drop. We bought the puts, we sold the calls. Both made nearly $1,000 just with a small size. Right. Mm, yeah, if anyone have any questions, please post it in the chat window. But do you see the power of systematic trading with a confluence of multiple? We are not just so scanner is telling us which tickers to choose. Whenever scanner tells we are going here, we are checking if there is a big buy order or sell order block, and then we are taking the trades. Or you wait for the sell signal and you take the trades. If you see a strong resistance, strong support, you got a buy signal, you got a strong support, it went all the way up. You have a resistance, you got a sell signal, came all the way down. So just a few minutes, we made over $1,000 with Nvidia. Yes, Subbu, you can call me after a few minutes after this meeting. NQ made nearly $1,400 profit with two contracts. It always your swing cloud will act as support, so it came all the way down, touched the swing cloud. Again, it is trying to bounce, but again it will come down. So that's why we took profit. It touched it. It will try, and then again, right? We can enter one more time. If it goes up, and again we see a red candle. Again, the midpoint will act as a support. It will come here again, try to bounce back, go a little bit up, again drop. So Netflix we can hold for more time. I'm sharing all the alerts in the AA channel. Whatever all the trades we took, CRM, Nvidia, Netflix, everything is posted. Yeah, Netflix will make more profits. I'm holding Netflix. Nvidia also, right? Price will never continuously go down. Always it will go down, then little bit up. Again it will come down. Oracle, Nike, You will have plenty of opportunities every day. ANSS is bearish, MA is bearish, FANG is bearish, Zscaler is bearish. For example, if I go to FANG, let us go and check. But you have a huge 4.7 thousand sell order block here. So if price goes and touch that, then we may see it coming all the way to 199. So we can you buy the puts or you sell the calls or you do a debit spread or whichever, right, based on your account size. If you want low risk, you can do credit spreads. If you want high risk, you can buy the puts or sell the calls. So now FANG will drop. So let us see which one is good for FANG. Okay, FANG 200 puts on the second. You can sell 200 calls if you have a big account. I sold FANG 200 calls, collected to $15. FANG 200 call for tomorrow. FANG, right? So if stock stays below 200, you will make all the premiums collected will be completely yours. If you go here and there is a strong resistance by the top trend, you got the sell signal. It is in the premium area. You got a huge sell order block. So all the indicators are telling us that it will drop. So even if it drops $1 also, we'll make nice $100 to $200 profit with a small size. IBM, we already collected profits yesterday. We sold 182.55, but if you are holding it, it made much more profits, right? We sold 182.5 put and collected, but if you are holding it, then all the premium is yours because we didn't want to take the risk with earnings. We took the profits yesterday, but if anyone holding, then yeah, as of now, it is at a resistance, but overall, it is very bullish. When something is bullish, better, even though it goes to the top, you don't want to take a short because it might just do a small pullback and again go up, right? We want to look at bearish stickers at the top, bullish stickers at the bottom. Right? For example, today morning, it's a bullish sticker, came to 183 and went all the way to 194. You have support, top trend support, the scanner support. Yeah, if there are no other questions, I'll be posting the other remaining alerts in the options channel. I hope, right, you saw if we follow a proper approach, a systematic approach, 90% of the time we'll make gains. Just we have to wait with patience. Then you have to look for the confluence. Your scanner is filtering out which tickers to look at, and then you see. And if you feel confident, right, if your either top trend or price pulse is also giving you confidence, then you will enter. Otherwise, just wait for the because you have hundreds and thousands of stocks. You don't need to focus on just one ticker. You have 50, 60 future tickers. You have 50, 60 currencies. You have 40, 50 cryptocurrencies. So you can use the scanner for anything, right? You have to just go and change the symbols, right? If, for example, I want to use for cryptocurrencies, you can change this one and you can change it to Bitcoin USD and you select that, or you want to trade Tesla, you change it to Tesla. In that way, you can whatever tickers you want, you can have them, and you can, right. If you are not a futures trader, you want to use only for stocks, you can put all stocks which you generally trade. If you are a currencies trader, you can have all the currencies here. If you are a crypto trader, you can put all the crypto, right? Dogecoin or Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything, all the cryptos here. So whichever you want, you can put and you can symbol, price. You don't also need to see everything, right? Even if you have just a symbol, if you see green color, that is good for long. If you see orange color, good for short. So silver is in orange color. That means silver futures. Right, it went all the way. It is at the top now. Yeah, yeah. It is a potential sell, but if you want to get a double confirmation, you can always go right. Maybe this is the best time. If you can wait one or two more candles, you have a 224 contracts here. So better you wait for one or two more candles and then you take a. If it goes up, you take, or if it starts dropping, you can take. As of now, it is consolidating. Either it can go up and then drop, or it can drop from here. So this is RC5 plan. RC5 plan, you get price pulse, you get a top trend, you get scanners. Netflix, we are expecting minimum 635, 636. Then we can take profits. I'll post, right? Whenever I take an exit, I'll post in US equities and other channels. Right? As long as we follow the rules, right? Sometimes with emotions, right? We do mistakes by taking a short here, by taking a buy here. But if we follow the right approach, step one, watch for the scanner. First thing is scanner should give you a signal. Second thing is either you watch the top trend, wait for the buy and sell signals, or you go to the price pulse and watch if there is a big buy order or sell order block. If for long, you should have a buy order. For short, you should have a sell order block. Minimum close buy, right? If you are taking somewhere here, if you have a sell order, you know that even though it goes little bit up, again price can touch that and then drop all the way. So that's what we check, and then you can take the trade. Now silver. right? It may touch, it may do a double top and then drop because there is a big sell order block here. It is a strong resistance. So that's why it is always better you wait for that. It dropped a little bit, but again there is a pullback, do a double top and then it may drop again. So waiting for the right time and then taking will make you more successful. Yeah, if you want to use more than two indicator, right, you can just use scanner along with top trend or scanner along with price pulse. But again, right, when you are making hundreds of dollars in few minutes, you pay another $10 to trading view, so you can have five indicators, 10 indicators, you can have multiple tabs, you can have multiple charts, you can have all the alerts. You will receive alerts whenever any ticker goes to the bottom, whenever any ticker goes to the top, whenever something touches the this mark, or whenever something touches this mark, you get all the notifications. So yeah, better you go with a trading view premium plan. So you can use all five or six indicators which you get, right? Every indicator has some advantages. So yeah, I am demonstrating how to use different indicators, different scanners. So we have swing indicator. If you are a swing trader for stocks, that swing indicator along with price pulse will work very good for stocks traders. If you are options trader or futures trader, this combination will help you very much. So like that, based on what type of trader you are, we have different indicators. So yeah, I suggest getting a trading view premium plan will help you uh, to make right to get the best use of indicators, the combination. So because most of the trading you can do 23 hours a day, right? For futures you can do 23 hours. Forex currencies you can do 23 hours. Crypto you can do 23 hours. That means even though you are working in the evening or morning times, when you are not working, you can use them and you can trade. So yeah, right. Again, you can use the same ones and you can, right. It is not only for stocks. You can do India stocks. You can do currencies. You can do cryptos. It is the same logic for anything. You will watch for the scanner. When scanner gives a signal, you will use top trend buy and sell signals, or you will use your price pulse, and then you will take the signals. Yeah, we do have setup sessions where we help members to, right. We already have all the videos where we explain how to add the indicators, and we also have all the documentation. We also do setup sessions every 2 days, 3 days once, where we help all the new members on how to add these indicators to your charts, how to right, install the algos, Ninja Trader algos, indicators. So yeah, that's it, everyone. If you have any questions, you can email me on kishore.ramaraj@gmail.com. Right, we did right hundreds of live right every day. We record these sessions. We post in our YouTube channel. You can go to YouTube, search on Right Choice Advisors. Right. So because retail traders without proper tools, they will just trade with emotions and lose the money. They trade, they buy at the top, they sell at the bottom. Right. With using proper indicators with a proper approach, we can be profitable. Right. Today you saw that how we made $3,000-4,000 within last 1.5 hour. We made nice gains with CRM, with NQ, with NVIDIA, right? Just just we need to practice and execute the plan. That's it. Right? Don't trade with a FOMO. Just whenever your entry criteria meets, then only enter the trade. If not, just there will be hundreds of. No, we did not do any Tesla spread for Friday. We don't have any open Teslas. So yeah, silver may drop soon. But yeah, I'll post any more signals in the crypto channel or in the option channel. If you're already member of indicators, you know how to use. I did right yesterday session. I explained everything. Today I explained everything. So in the morning time, because volume will be better, you can see much better usage. Right. Even yesterday I explained about AMT and other things. Right. If you go and watch the session, you will see like we discussed about AMT that if we don't see much movement, then it will move. So it moved all the way. Now again it is back at the support. Again it can start going up. So price always moves between these channels or the support and resistance. So always try to, if it is a bullish ticker, buy at the bottom. If it is a bearish ticker, sell at the top. Right? Our scanner will help us to tell which is the bullish, which is bearish. Just follow the scanner and enter the right opportunities. Silver is dropping big. Yeah, yeah, we are holding Netflix spread. We have a lot more time and it will drop. Yeah, I'll post whenever I exit on Netflix or Fang. I'll post those. So again, right, when there'll be always price will not continuously go down. Nvidia went down to nearly 113, 112.96. Again, there was a small pullback, right? Because there will be always traders who book the profits. If all of them are booking profits, then again it went up. Again, it started dropping. So same thing with Netflix also. It dropped the 2 points, went up. Again, it will drop. So yeah, we have to just hold with patience. Otherwise, we have to take small 5%, 10% profits. If we hold for more time, we'll make more profits. Because Nvidia gave good profits, we took the profits. Netflix is dropping again. So you are selling at the top. So our risk is low. If you are selling somewhere here, there is a high risk. If you are selling here, you have a high risk. But you are selling at a top close to the resistance. So the risk is minimal. Right? Your CAT, ANSS, PANW, MDY, there are a lot more opportunities. Nvidia is dropping again. So there will be plenty of opportunities every day, right? We may not take each and every opportunity, but even if you take one or two opportunities, that will make $200-300 every day. Just follow the strategy, and when you see the confluence, enter the trades. Okay, everyone. Talk to you in the evening session for the premium subscribers. And if anybody want to get these indicators, you have to go to ninja underscore apex underscore bot, and then you have to select the tier 5 where you get all the 5 indicators like price pulse, swing, top trend, and the scanner, all these things which will help you for all different types of trading. Whether you are a day trader, swing trader, long term trader, it will help you in all different ways. Right? We'll be doing more lives, right? Nearly if I am not traveling, most of the time, 90% of the days, I'll be doing demos, live sessions. So you can understand how to use the indicators, when to take the trades. But after 3 or 4 days, you will know, okay, when to enter, when to exit. You don't need to depend on me to enter or exit. After watching for 3 or 4 days, you know, okay, this is what I need to do. You can do whenever you are free. You can take the trades. Yeah, by ends, we created the software to get those blocks. That is a real time. Whenever you have real time order blocks, that will keep changing. And yeah, that is one very important component as part of our trading, because right, you want to follow the big players. Yeah. Okay, bro. Talk to you in the evening. Have a nice rest of the day.